Temperature plays an important role in oil and gas production. The temperatures of gas, oil, and water are all measured in many production vessels. Heat is monitored during various forms of separation, and thermostats can be combined with pilots to create safety shutdown controls. It is a critically important production condition to monitor and control, so let's take a closer look at some of the products and features of Kimray temperature controllers. Kimray temperature controllers include the standard thermostat, often called a T12, pilot guard, and indirect shutdown. Let's look at the features that make these products useful to producers worldwide. Kimray temperature controllers can be direct or indirect acting, and can be converted from one to the other simply by switching the supply and the vent ports. For direct acting, when the temperature rises above your set point, the controller will have a pneumatic output. For example, if a direct acting temperature controller is operating a fail-closed burner valve, when the temperature rises above set point, it will close the burner valve, cutting off fuel to the burner, bringing down the temperature. For indirect acting, when the temperature goes below your set point, the controller will have a pneumatic output. A temperature controller requires supply pressure to operate. When it vents, that supply pressure is released into the atmosphere. To avoid venting natural gas, compressed air or nitrogen can be used for the temperature controller supply pressure and should be used in conjunction with a high-pressure control valve. While it is typically used in liquid applications, the probe can sense gas or liquid. The base assembly thermostat has two options, standard and high temperature. By combining the base unit thermostat with various pilots, fittings, and tubing, packages can be created for snap or throttle, direct or indirect, manual reset, and more, depending on your specific application. For example, a T12 package with a manual reset pilot creates a safety device called a high-temperature indirect shutdown. Operators can easily install simple product repair kits to ensure accurate temperature control for years to come. Combined with a separable socket, repairs and maintenance are even easier. When a separable socket is used, it allows you to remove the T12 from service without having to depressurize the vessel. This pressure-containing device can be installed into your vessel during the initial build, or it can be retroactively added. Then the T12 is installed along with a high-temperature grease. Pilot guards are the final category of Kimray temperature controllers. There are two options, which only differ in probe length. Pilot guards are used as a pilot safety shutdown. The probe monitors the pilot flame, and if it goes out, the pressure decreases to zero, blocking supply gas from entering the rest of the system. Manufactured and assembled in the USA, our temperature controllers are certified for use in North and South America and most areas around the world. We have 25 distribution centers in the US and international distribution partners globally. Kimray is also an ISO 9001 certified manufacturer. Reach out to your local Kimray representative today to explore how we can help solve your control challenges.